So congratulations is in order. You've become a supplier of Walmart. One of the first things that Walmart is going to want to do is Walmart's going to want to get you set up on EDI. So they're going to want you to test. They're going to want the communication set up. They're going to want all of those things put in place because it's not only making their lives easier, it could also make your life easier for being a supplier with Walmart. There's some key pieces that you want to figure out, especially if you're new to EDI. If you're new to EDI, you have to figure out what type of EDI solution you want to utilize. If you already exist in EDI, now it's making that phone call to whoever your provider is, if you're using a third-party provider, or speaking with your internal staff that handles and manages your EDI solution that's in place. When you're looking at it, what you need to do is you also need to get familiar with Walmart's Retail Link. Retail Link is going to be the portal that you're going to be utilizing for learning information, for how you're going to handle shipping, how you're going to deal with different things when it comes to your relationship with Walmart. You're also going to be going to that spot because guess what? They're going to want you to set up for your EDI testing through Retail Link. They're also going to want you to test your communication through Retail Link. If you're using a third party, that third party is going to want to have access or be working with you to get through that testing on Retail Link. If you're doing it yourself, then of course, you want to get familiar with it. You want to get familiar with setting up the AS2 communication, exchanging your certificate, doing those type of things that are coming with EDI when it relates to Walmart. The other things that we want to take a look at is we want to take a look at the transactions that you're going to be dealing with when it comes to Walmart. The common documents that we're going to be looking at is you're going to be looking at what is called an 816 document, which is an organizational relationship document. In that document, it's going to be address information. So they're going to send you the distribution center addresses, the store addresses. All of those different pieces are going to be contained inside of the 816. And they're going to send it to you via AS2. The next thing that you're going to see is you're going to see a common document coming from your system back to them, and that's going to be a functional acknowledgement or a 997. 997s, think of it this way, they're always going to be interacting whenever there's a document involved. That's simply saying that the document has reached its destination and you're acknowledging that receipt of the document. Not that you've processed, but you're receiving the acknowledgement of that document. The next document that you're going to be looking at is the document we're all looking for. Is the purchase order or an 850 document. That purchase order is going to be requesting items that you're going to be supplying, shipping, where they're going to be going to, how much they're going to be paying for them, the quantity, all that information is on the purchase order. Not that we have it laid out, but again, your system's going to send back a 997. Now, you've processed it. You have that document, whether you've done document integration into your back-end system or you've hand-keyed the information in, and now you're ready to ship. Well, Walmart's going to be looking for an 856 to be coming back to them. That 856 or advanced ship notice is going to define to them how the product was shipped, where it was shipped from, who's handling the shipping, whether it's FedEx, UPS, a standard truck, whatever it may be, and some labeling information, or UPC codes, G10 numbers. Those different things are going to be a part of the 856 that you're sending to Walmart to tell them, hey, we're shipping the product. It's going to be coming to you. The next thing that Walmart's going to do is a lot of times if there's any errors, they're going to send you back an 864 or a text message. On that text message, it's going to define and give you information. You might also see on there things that you need to correct is going to be denoted inside of the 864. Maybe you won't get one back. Maybe that means that everything was good and you're ready to go. Well, if that's the case, we want to send them an invoice or an 810 document. We're going to send that to Walmart. We're going to say, hey, it's time to pay me because you've received the product or the direct customer that you sent it to has received the product. Now we need to get paid. Walmart, send me payment. That's your invoice because it's defining where the product was shipped to. It's defining the quantity of the product, the price that was set, and that you want to get paid, and the terms of those payments. So it's an 810 that you're going to send over to them. In return, Walmart will send you back over time an 820, which is a Remittance Advice. That's simply telling you that they've released the funds to send to you for payment of which invoices they're acknowledging that they need to send you payment for. That's the simple and common documents that you're going to be transacting with inside of Walmart or when you're looking at Walmart with an EDI. If you have any questions or you have things that you want to go over when it comes to that relationship, give us a call. Jim Gonzalez, EDI Support. We're here to help you out.